I summon thee! I summon thee, Beltrama!
What's the saying? Orcs work to live, dwarves live to work.
So dumb. If there's ever a saying about me, I'll fly into the fucking sun. I summon thee! Dumbass!
Small for a dragon, Rick.
Will I sleep on an extra big pile of awesome shit?
And there will be sayings about you. Your lessers will hunt you down, and you will be owned or slain.
That's why they call it a dying breed, brother. You're right. I can get used to this magic stuff. You dumbass. I summon thee. What the hell? Taylor Swift pumping her hands in the air? What does it mean when...
you're lame.
Yeah.
You can take this stupid fake soul bond contract and you can... So sorry. That is a total violation. Yeah, no shit. I'll take care of this at once. You slut dragon! You slut!
Chill out.
Okay, that's slut! You don't have to... Shit! Your soul got tangled in a soul. on your way too, Belthrama.
Well, I've been thinking. What you said back there in the cave really resonated with me. Maybe we could try again?
Look, to be honest, I'm kind of grossed out with the sexual nature of how everything unfolded. I didn't know how sexual dragons were. I kind of just wanted to do some D&D stuff, you know?
And have a soul orgy with your sister and grandpa and every dragon we can find, yeah?
No, look, can you please just go? I really want to shower.
Maybe a quick soul bone before I go.
I'm good. I think I just need to be alone and sort of unpack all this.
What about your grandpa? Would he want to? I can wait.
No, I think you better go. I'm gonna take that shower.
If it's just warm liquid you want dribbled over your body, I could maybe...
No, look, I just want to be clean. I feel dirty after everything that's happened.
How about a quick hand bond? I like doing it.
You're embarrassing yourself. I'm closing the door.
Fucking soul teasers.
I summon thee, Belthrama.